Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see what's going on with Bitcoin here in the intraday. So we are looking, of course, at a kind of a pump today. We mentioned, of course, that the Bitcoin price entered again the base channel, which is, of course, a clear signal that we are, back to the decision area. And it might be, of course, because we're pushing for higher right now. We might be in 112, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the upside. Of course, nothing yet is like confirmed as bullish, because this wave 2 is a very long wave 2. In case it is a 1 here, ABC or WXNY, also adding more doubt that, of course, this can be a wave 2 as WXNY, because wave 2 preferably to be a zigzag, something like this, and then pushing for higher already. Therefore, I'm looking here for a potential ABC toward the upside unfolding. Of course, the wave C in the blue scenario here, that it might still reach, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level around the 75k. So it is very likely to come back to the 75k for Bitcoin ABC, where we still have a 1, 2, 3 and a potential wave 4. So meaning this wave 4 there, which it was supposed to be a triangle, well, obviously today we got something, of course, changing the course and reverse the market. So we gotta be careful. This is, of course, the idea from following the price every day. So basically wave 4 can still be, of course, a higher price here, unless, of course, something else will change again in this area, which is, of course, a 112. I would say even 112, which, a little bit also lower the possibility 112 directly toward the downside here. If this is a wave 1 and then wave 2, you are currently in the perfect fib level for wave 2. And that might, of course, unfold something towards the downside. But the thing is that you have a clean 5 waves impulse so far. So if this is an impulse and still needs, of course, one more push toward the upside here, by the way, it is still unfinished on the 15-minute chart. You have 112, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 potentially unfolding still for higher, and probably reaching the 886 even. Which of course reduce so much the possibility as well. So basically I'm looking what's gonna be, of course, the price decision. Again, we're back to the same area. However, because we are impulsive, the direction of the market today is, of course, setting up toward the upside. Again, of course, we're in a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to unfold again, of course, inside this blue zone here for a wave C in a wave 4. So, of course, we cannot claim anything bullish yet, because anyway, to be bullish there, you need still, of course, to invalidate, of course, the bullish scenario here, meaning wave 4 should interfere with this area, 86k here, zone 1. Plus, you need to break anyway the 1-to-1 fib level. So a primary indication before even this one is breaking this area. If we break the 1-to-1 fib level, then okay, we have no other choice than taking a white 1-2, despite, of course, that the wave 2 is here horrible, based on the timing and the shape as a structure. It doesn't look like so, but if this is the case, well, we cannot, of course, do anything against it. So it is currently ABC. Until we break it, of course, we might see a wave 3, 4, and a 5 if we reach the invalidation. Okay, that is a clear signal that Bitcoin is unfolding our regular flat here. The regular flat that I'm looking for, of course, on the daily, which is the following regular flat, because you might be, of course, in an A, B, and a C here as a potential 3 ways down. You got your impulse ABC. I'm expecting already the wave B. If you remember, of course, it can be even an expanding flat. Imagine it's gonna work. So we are going to have, of course, an ABC regular flat. So far. In case we continue impulsive here and we reach, of course, the invalidation as we mentioned. So that would be, of course, very interesting for Bitcoin over there. ABC regular flat, meaning, of course, higher prices. We might come back around the 100k. That is a very likely scenario, because regular flat wave B love, of course, 0.7, 0.9 Fibonacci level, which is around this area, above the 100k even. So very, very interesting for Bitcoin, what we are looking today, changing the whole thing. So to be again, of course, thinking bearish here, we need to break, of course, this base channel one more time again, but this time it has to be decisive and with a final decision there, because it doesn't handle anymore more than 11112. That's too much. So if we are unfolding something really bearish, it has to break it and simply continue toward the downside. Yep. So and regarding also Bitcoin on the KGT, very low time frame to follow this impulse toward the upside to see what do we have here. We still have invalidation of bearish. We see the price is still pushing in a bullish signal here toward the upside. Now, of course, we're gonna see a little bit of retracement, but it might be, of course, something corrective. Nothing yet, of course, bearish here, and you might be in several 1-2s here, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Continuation for higher prices. So I see, yes, we might, of course, continue for higher, guys. Despite that, this looks a little bit, of course, surprising, of course, against the macro level. But, well, we already have our regular flat scenario. That's why we are watching anyway the price, what is gonna do. Yeah, yesterday it went down very impulsively. Oh, we're pushing higher, and then suddenly we're getting back inside. So, well, this is what the market wants. Let's see what is its final decision. Of course, we still have a possibility for several 1-2s, but yeah, the possibility is lowering down here because we have already 5 ways up. That was it for Bitcoin the intraday. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.